Building your own mountain bike trail system is very labor intensive. It can also be a very fun and rewarding experience. With this comes a lot of upkeep. I've built over 7 miles of trail by myself, and after every windstorm comes a lot of deadfall that needs to be dealt with. This video is actually a remake of one that I made when I first started this channel a few months ago. Although a lot of the footage is the same, my sound has come a long way. In the original version there is a lot of hissing in the narrations which drove me nuts figuring out the cause. If you would like to compare, I will leave the link to the old version in the description. I would appreciate your feedback in the comments as I am constantly trying to improve the quality of these videos. Today I am going to show you a remedy that I came up with for a situation caused by a windstorm. We have 2 massive cherry trees. Both have uprooted straight apart from each other, causing a huge roadblock on my trail. Routing the trail around these dropped trees would have been very difficult, as well as disrupting the flow of the trail. Because I don't own the property, I did not want to arbitrarily cut the tree up. This raises an interesting question. Why do trees fall down, but you cut them up? Inquiring minds want to know. After some careful thought, I came up with a solution to just route the trail between the uproots. This solution took minimal digging and just a little bit of root cutting. Plus, it created a pretty unique trail feature. After clearing some brush, things really started to take shape. Now let's take a ride through and see how it works. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to help this channel grow. Click the bell and you'll be notified of future uploads. I usually try to upload at least 1 video per week, so until next time, as always, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.